Now where am I going to put these so I don't lose them? If we record this and then I'll remember. I'm going to put them there.
Sure there?
No, but that'll do.
Alright.
You gonna move them later?
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna pull off the engine today.
We're going to give it a good shot anyway.
Good shot. Yeah,
I'm
that'll be good.
thinking, so we're going to take some of this stuff off, just to get rid of it. I've got this
Brake muffler.
loose, but I just need to finagle it under there, and hopefully we can get it out.
Get it out.
If not, we'll just leave it there.
Yeah. Yeah. Before we do that, can you just quickly introduce your car real quick?
Okay, so this is my 1981 VH Commodore Vacation. It's got an LS1 5.7 litre and a 4L60E transmission. I've done all underneath, it's all new, and we just did a dry build with the engine and all of the, you have video of the other stuff.
Yeah.
So now it's coming out today, hopefully. And
Helping.
yeah, get ready for the proper build.
Yeah. And you said the gears are sequential, isn't it?
Yeah. Sequential in the shifter.
Yeah. And you
Custom dash.
yeah, and you modify whole like console as well.
Yeah. Yeah, that was the craziest thing because it was a heavy modification to make it stop.
Yeah, looks. You wanted to make it as a stop.
Yeah, I wanted to sit under the original console,
Mm.
but I had to modify it
Quite
quite a lot.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah, so that was fun.
Yeah.
See?
What else are you taking off?
Well, I'm going to take
Alternator off?
this alternator. You reckon? There's no bin wax. That's well, I'm happy to leave them there now.
Yeah. Let's just leave them because I don't want to damage the brand new.
Yeah, as soon as the engine comes up, probably that far. So the only other thing is, you can see it there, is the rack.
The rack.
Whether I want to drop that now.
Are you leaving the transmission off? On or
Yes,
off?
the transmission will come
Come with us?
Yeah.
Mm.
Just hang on a second.
Just hang in there.
I think this hot. Done. That was easy.
Done.
Perfect. Now go put this in your boot.
Yeah, that's good because the last time it was in there and I hit it a couple of times trying to get it out.
No, on the side and just slap it. Yeah. There you go. You guys give us a thumbs up. How much you're having fun?
Oh, is that up?
Is that a thumbs up or down?
I can't tell. As well. Once we do these guys, get the jack to hold this up.
Yeah.
Before we do that, maybe is it time to drop the front?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Would that make sense?
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, it must be a Bosch one, not a Bish Bosch. So unfortunately, we start seeing wheels move slowly.
Everyone happy?
Yep. I did that with that
Yeah?
and dropped the engine. With that.
That's how. Oof.
Good. That's like an alarm.
Even though the alarm didn't go off.
Yeah, he's got an alarm for me.
Oh!
When it's a
The vape.
car.
Oh, there's an alarm for everything.
10 side, yeah.
Loving it. Alright, gotta get back under.
Yes.
Yeah.
Get the jack under the transmission.
Fun.
Did you count what hole the crossmember was?
Ah, we'll figure it out
like
again.
58 slots. That's why I took a photo.
You took a photo, yeah.
So engine mounts.
Get the crane on.
Oh, actually, before we do engine mounts, because the. I'll show you.
Are you gonna put it back?
Yeah.
Do you wanna check? Make sure it's tight?
Oh, just the way that works, he wants to try and straighten it all the time, like he wants to hang on an angle. The
Oh,
engine,
okay.
so.
Fair enough. Alright guys, that's it for today. It was pretty good, it was fun. I've never worked on the engine before, like pull all the engines, everything. So shout out to David, follow his YouTube channel. And thanks to Jake, helping. I think his weight was pretty good with that crane, to be honest. I couldn't carry anything. I was fucking useless, but yeah, that was fun. So yeah, see you next time.